What's up? Today I'm going to teach you how to create CV Interactive with RTMKIT. But first of all, you need to install RTMKIT first. RTMKIT. You need to install and activate RTMKIT. And after that, you need to create page and edit with Elementor. And go to grid. This grid. And add image. Add image. After you add image, you add container. And add progress bar. You just need to duplicate progress bar. Yes, you can change line or inline or circle like this one, circle or half circle like this one. Now we just choose line, and you can change the percentage. You can change the title, the name. For example, your skill, graphic design, and you can give percentage. And after that, you create grid. After grid, you can go down. You can go to progress bar again. But you can change it to circle. And you can just copy paste this one to this one. Yeah, here's the interactive CV that you can use for your website. And if you want to have it, you can install it RTMKit in your plugin. Thank you. RTM